Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss advantage of incorporating a business in India. A complete advantage of incorporation a business in India. Incorporation a new business can be by a quite a trying and hassling procedure, but the most significant aspects that one must remember is to choose a state to incorporate and grow your business in India. People interested in incorporating a business in India and especially in India LLC, limited liability company or Indian corporation needs to be sure that state has plenty of advantages to offer to them that will aid in the growth of their business in India in the long run. Here is the article. Here is the video which will help you. In this video, we will help you to know more advantage of incorporating a business in India. Business incorporating in India process of starting a new business can be fairly challenging, but the most important consideration is to decide the state of the business establishment where when registering a new business in India, business owner should confirm that the state provides them with advantages that will foster their long-term success. The state offers startup companies a strong financial environment, growth potential in the competitive national and global markets, lower startup and operating cost for business, several incentives. What are the benefits of forming an LLC or a corporation in India? You have an option of forming a formal organization or a sole proprietorship or general partnership in the state of Indian LLC, corporation, S corporation, limited partnership and limited liability partnership. Examine the benefits of the most self-growing life, change in ownership, rise additional funds, limited liability, flexible profit distribution, flow through entity, no minutes of meeting. Other benefits of formal an LLC or a corporation in India. Small and medium-sized business have access to a number of state and federal incentives, loans, grant tax credits, and other financial resources. Let's examine the way like business incentives in India with more details. Indian Enterprises Zone. When you register a new business in India Enterprises Zone, your company will eligible for a number of tax benefits and incentives. Your company can gain from a number of credit schemes including the inventory tax credit, investment cost credit, employees expense credit, loan interest credit and gross income tax exemption. HOSE Business Investment HBI tax credit. This is a form of incentive program targets at a new business in India with the objective of attracting capital investment, assisting in the development of jobs in the state, and ultimately rising inhabitants' standard of living. Thank you.